How to uninstall voice mode from your computer completely. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of using voice mode app and if you want to remove the voice mode app completely from your computer, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do that in just a few simple steps, so let's get started. First, make sure that the voice mode is not opening. Now, in order to uninstall the voice mode app, you simply need to go to the start button, and from here you need to search control panel. Once you're in the control panel, you need to go ahead and click on Programs. From here, you need to click on Uninstall a program. Now, from the list of the programs that appears, you need to go ahead and search for voice mode. And once you do that, you need to right click on it. And here you can see the uninstall option. You simply need to go ahead and click on uninstall. Then you need to click on yes. As you can see that the voice mode has been removed successfully from your computer, you need to simply click on OK, and that's it. You now know how to uninstall voice mode from your computer easily. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.